Thursday, Sean here at Spotlight. We're going to do a quick overall around the finished 34 Ford. This car has taken Greg 38 years to get to this point. He started building it in 1986. This year I was born. So my whole lifetime it took this guy to finish his car. So really excited. Tomorrow we're going to be able to share the experience with him as he picks up the car, takes it home on a trailer, not quite ready to drive it. These cars, once you build them, they take a while to get to know, especially the chopped ones, not a lot of visibility. So, but we'll take you around the interior, show you what we did. So when this car came to us, it was a bare shell inside, all but the seats, which Greg supplied. Lee built a full custom headliner, full panel surround up top. He covered the header piece up front, full panels behind the seats for some storage and electrical. We'll show you that in a minute. Full door panels, carpet, floor mat, kick panels. So lots of little details. These cars are pretty simple for the most part, but there's still a lot of time and effort that goes into fitment, handcrafting, making sure everything fits nice and tight. Here's the back panel surround in the 34 Ford. Just wanted to show the power outlet here, USB chargers if needed, clean speaker grills, very simple. And then a magnetic storage area back here. Put your registration, insurance papers, snacks. Clean, simple, effective. Here we are in the back of Greg's 34 Ford. We're going to show you the trunk panels. The back wall has one removable panel to access all the electrical components, and then underneath the trunk lid is also a simple cover. Just really finishes off everything very nicely, clean, simple, and effective.